Alright guys, Seth Davis Blu-ray number 2, top 3 all win their pick. 7:44 p.m. East Coast. Live at 7:44. 7 times. Good luck. 44-13, 44-14. After 6, we got Seth, Chris, Brian. Chris on the bottom. Dice is a 7 times to 744. Top 3 on the next row are winners. Michael, Chris, and Seth. 7 and 7, 44-36, 44-29. Verification. 10, 7, 6. Congrats. Done at 7:44 p.m. Eastern.